Here's the big ice storm of 2013. It's not as bad as 97, but not even close actually. I've been lucky I haven't lost power, but everything is just covered in a sheet of ice. It makes plowing really difficult with a four-wheeler or shoveling. And as you can see, the car, I'm letting it run to hopefully melt this sheet of ice that's on there. Makes scraping a lot easier. And you can see where I've started with my four-wheeler, my 2012 Suzuki King Quad 500 plow package on it. You can see it's taken quite a bit of trips, but I've gotten the driveway pretty good. Now I just need to clean up, move my car, and get around where my car parks. You can see for only December, we've got quite a bit of snow out here in Charleston, Maine. Now I got to get back to work. I wish everybody a happy holidays, Merry Christmas.